To be honest, it was really fun. It was really light. It was very comfortable. Hi, my name is Michelle. I'm working in Stranger. I'm the Assistant Operations Manager of our Penang branch. So basically, after attending the session today, I think there are 3 takeaways that I really, was really insightful that I got from this session. The first one would be in regards to how people are moved by their heart first, and then it's reflected to their heads and then their hands, meaning their actual actions that they take as well. So that was really important. And then the second thing is in regards to how we allocate stakeholders, or that there are different types of stakeholders and different ways to manage those stakeholders. I thought they were all the same previously, but then knowing the different types, I think is able to allow not just myself but also my team members to allocate our resources according to this knowledge. And the last one would be, I think when it comes to communicating changes specifically, people are generally a little bit more cautious when it comes to this. But what Isaac mentioned was, as long as you can communicate to them and make them realize or see the line of sight, meaning how it affects them or how their action affects or is related to that change, then they are more willing to do the actions. So these are the 3 things that I thought were really helpful and insightful.
What do you
It was
enjoy?
really fun. It was really light. It was very comfortable. I wish there was a little bit more time so that he could finish like the rest of what he wanted to share as well. Because I'm pretty sure there'll be like really like things that I didn't know, I personally didn't know, and would like to learn more about.
Okay.